Isn't that right, Big Kitty? Oh shit, I'm on the wrong perspective. Okay, that's better. Okay, so more kitties, right? Yeah. So this is a one-off piece of work, something, one of my for fun projects. It was from a piece of scrap A2 that it was smaller than most of my other knife-sized pieces of steel, you know. Um, it had a partial 1 inch diameter hole from the other part of a larger knife where there was about a bunch of 1 inch diameter holes cut to make the profile of that piece. So this is one of the, well, I tried really hard to conserve as I was cutting away this other profile, which I will post when it's finished. But I ended up with this piece. I salvaged this piece of scrap steel from that knife. And it kind of just like took its own shape. I surface ground it. I drilled some holes to lighten the handle a little bit and attach chain ring bolts, and then surface ground it. And I thought, oh, this would just be an excellent knife for a hollow grind. Um, no choil, no, I mean no sharpening choil. Obviously, there's a finger hole. People call it a choil. I prefer to call it a finger groove, but whatever. Tomatoes, tomatoes, and shit. So um, I also did a hollow grind swedge on this using an 8-inch wheel. And the odd thing happened is when I heat treated it, it just the colors were absolutely fucking beautiful. I mean, you had like little trails of like fractal geometry, looking blue and orange, creeping up this and kind of wrapping around there. It was awesome. But I knew that it probably wouldn't, those colors, the vibrancy of the colors wouldn't probably survive tempering. So I heat treated it as normal. But they did. This is tempered to 61 RC with cryo. It's A2, 181 thousandths thick. False zero bevel grind. And when I sat and finished the flats using my surface grinder, I thought, dude, this coloration is just way too beautiful to go back on an 8-inch wheel and grind it off. So I kept it. And there's cat hair sticking to it because I frog lubed it earlier. Yeah, I said lube. But yeah, this is going off to Canada to another fellow rabbit. And she wanted to try out CM carry. So I set it up for horizontal, like I guess you would call scout carry, and CM carry. So there's separate kydex or separate holes in the kydex for the tech lock, because going 45 as opposed to 90, you've got different hole spacing. So measurements. We have a sharpened length of just, I don't know, 3 5/8. Yeah. A total length of 7 3/4. Weight is, oh, hello to you too. Such a kind scale. Weight is 6.228. Still not nothing fancy approved. With the kydex, we've got a total weight of 9.345 ounces. But this thing is just absolutely beautiful. Look at those colors. Sometimes you just like get lucky totally by accident, and this is one of those times. Right, Big Kitty? Oh, cat drama. There's cat drama. Cat drama. Come on, do something. While the camera's still running. Okay, I guess not. So yeah, this is going out today. Those colors, man, just so vibrant. I mean, in itself, this is almost more, or almost equally art as it is a knife, in my opinion. And I don't make art knives, but Jesus, I cannot stop looking at these colors. And I know she'll probably be doing the same thing. So there it is. I'll call it the lucky rabbit's foot. How about that? Because it kind of has like looking like little foot pads, and it's shaped kind of like in okay, if you don't see it, you don't see it, fine. But yeah. All right. As always, stay armed, stay alert, stay alive. Hua. God bless. Later.